Hey, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the ILM Helmet. It's the Z501. So it comes with a clear visor. Also the color that I picked is legend green. A poisson. Looks like a poisson, right? This is a spoiler. This is a smoke one, and there's a greenish one, like this. So pretty dope. Now let's look at the helmet. It's pretty cool. So this is the legend green. I picked size small. I should have picked extra small, but hey, you know. But pretty cool. It's comfy. And oh, what is this? Oh, that was fun. So it has a sun visor that comes down, which is pretty cool. And oh wait, okay. So yeah, overall pretty cool. Excited to try it on the streets, and yeah.